Alright, several people in the Incline Twist 2 video made reference to that mirrored twist, volcano twist, whatever, looking like Aurora Borealis. So I'm going to make a little change to it, and let's see if we can't make it look more like an Aurora Borealis. Now, being from southern United States, I've never actually seen it in person, but I'm going to give this a try. Alright, so instead of starting from the top, I'm going to start from the side, roughly up here somewhere. Then I'm going to just drop this into a twist. So let's try this again. Let's go ahead and tie this off at the end. Off to dye. This should probably be a less is more kind of thing when it comes to the colors, but this is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to go with the bright green, the green MXEG from Custom Colors, fuchsia red, seashell blue from Grateful Dyes, and maybe a little marine blue from Grateful Dyes. Now the bright green does have turquoise in it, so that should pull some blues in, along with the seashell blue. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ice down, and then we'll do the dye. And it's not going to be just one, it's going to be kind of scattered about. Hopefully that works. I do have a little block of aluminum foil down here, crumpled up to keep the ice from slipping all the way down and making a bigger mess of this. Alright, let that sit and melt through, and we'll take a look. Alright, it's been a couple of days. Let's go ahead and do this washout. So I'll go through this in the wash and we'll take a final look. So here we have it. Front and back. Now when this one was, batching, somewhere in the process, I'm looking at it going, okay, that's not right. That's not going to turn out the way I'm looking for. It just doesn't look right as it's batching. So this is the first attempt. I've already done a second and working on a third attempt of this same Aurora Borealis design. And I will say the second one looks much better than this. This video should be published on Wednesday, and the correct video, or the second and third version of this, should be dropped on Saturday. So you shouldn't have too many days to wait to see the corrected version of this. So let me know down below what you think I'm going to change to make this work properly. Now let's talk about this. Overall, I think this is really faded, and part of that has to do with the house being about 65 to 68 degrees because we're in the fall and I haven't turned the heat on yet. It did batch for 36 hours, so that shouldn't be too much of it. I may have forgot the second round of soda ash. That might be why it's a little faded. This part up here, I think pretty well is like what I was looking for, but obviously the rest of this is not. It faded out way too much, and it just doesn't, it's not bold. The blues and the greens mix together too much. It's not a nice, bold, bright effect. Overall, I think the concept I had was correct as far as, coming in from an angle to give a better visual on this. The colors are mostly correct. I'll make a little bit of a change on how it's laid down on version 2 and 3. And you'll just have to wait until the next video drops on everything that was changed, and you'll get to see if you were correct on what you guessed down below. So until next time, thanks for watching.